Personalization in marketing is more important than ever before. So when you need to build personalized landing pages quickly and at scale, it's frustrating to have to recreate frequently used content like headers, footers, and testimonial sections, instead of focusing on creating new content for your target audiences. With INSTABLOCKS, you can quickly build hundreds of landing pages with individual page blocks that you can modify, save, and reuse. Pick from a library of pre-designed block templates, or create your own custom INSTABLOCKS from scratch. To insert a pre-designed page block, open a new page. Click on INSTABLOCKS and Block Templates. Then choose which one you want to use and click Insert. On the page, you can edit your block and save it so that you can reuse it on future pages. If you'd like to create a block from scratch, open a page and click My Blocks. Select Add New Block. Customize it and save it. To access your saved work, go to My Blocks. There, you can view thumbnails of your saved blocks. Click on the thumbnail and you can choose to insert it on your page, rename it, or see the mobile and desktop versions. Build whole pages using INSTABLOCKS. Just choose a blank page and insert the blocks you want. And with a few clicks, you can create a new personalized landing page. Now, creating post-click landing pages and experiences for every ad is finally scalable. And with message-matched landing pages for every campaign, you'll turn more ad clicks into conversions. See what INSTABLOCKS can do for you.